said you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. If my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the words of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was for men, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, the tenement halls, whispered